Hey guys, this is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax. Take a look at this brand new SPX 230 from Sea Ray, 2019. This beautiful sea deck, little door there. Under here, we have perfect storage where your batteries are also at. Light here. Additional storage up here. Battery switches in there. Nice bimini top with the sport hook for towing. You also got the other one in the rear. Let's check out that engine. It's got a 250 horsepower, 4.5 liter. Got some additional storage here. Really easy. Under here we got our cooler, and that does come with the boat, ladies and gentlemen. Got all your reading materials right here. Apologize about a little bit of rain. More storage. Here's where you can store all your lines, fenders, skis, anything like that you could think of to put in there. Got a beautiful seat, bolster, super easy to use, very functional. Got a day head. From the helm. USBs, DC, dash cluster, along with your fusion head unit, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. Switch panel, horn, and up front, got the fusion audio system again. These pop up just like that, go back down just as easy. Storage and more storage. And that concludes our walkthrough of the 2019 230 SPX. Again, thank you for watching this video from MarineMax. Make sure to like and subscribe. Give me a call at 573-606-2039. Thank you.